Hey everybody, Chef Corso, MONTyBOCA. Got a little bit of sunshine here in Seattle, Washington. We're here at Lake Union Park, and welcome to lunch. We're going to be making 2 recipes today for lunch. Also could be made for dinner or any time of day, but it's around noon here in Seattle, and that's what we're going to make. Welcome to Mappy Hour, welcome to North Face, welcome to MONTyBOCA, welcome to everybody out there. Hope you're doing okay. We're at the end of a couple weeks of quarantine or a couple weeks of staying at home, and I hope that you're not getting too crazy out there. But we're going to be making a couple great recipes today. And a little bit more about MONTyBOCA. We are a company and a community focused on eating well in the great outdoors and specifically using fresh ingredients rather than the dry, salty, packaged options. So we provide recipes, meal plans, and cookbooks. I think it's in here somewhere. Nice pocket-sized cookbook that you can actually take with you on the trail. But all recipes are 10 ingredients or less, ready in 30 minutes or less, mindful of overall pack weight, overall pack volume, and no pre-prep, no dehydrating, because I want you to go outside. I want you to go outside and enjoy where you are and have a great meal to complement that experience. So what we're gonna do is cook up a Tom Yum noodle bowl today, which is actually one of my favorites as far as a camper meal, a backpacker meal, because it's very versatile and it's also very low pack weight and very low pack volume. And we're also gonna make a really delicious dessert, a blueberry lemon Rice Krispie treat bowl. Yes, we're gonna make a Rice Krispie treat bowl in this small stove here, and it's gonna take about 5 minutes. So let's get cooking. So, if you wanna come in here and we'll talk about some ingredients here. For our Tom Yum noodle bowl, we've got a couple ingredient callouts here, and I took everything out of our stuff sack here. And stuff sacks are a great way to pack up a recipe and pack up your food for your trip. So all of your ingredients for, say, dinner or lunch are right here. For curry paste, so you can easily pack your curry paste in a nice packable container. May employ these really helpful mini pouches, so you could take those. This would be enough for multiple meals. Or you could just take a little sriracha to season up your broth. Other things we have for this specific recipe is we do have some baby corn. If you are going on a long backpacking trip, I probably wouldn't take this because it's going to be pretty heavy, but we have the luxury of a little bit of extra weight. We have some coconut powder, ginger. You could either use some ground ginger or some fresh, and some shallots. Shallots are a really great packable ingredient, lightweight, great flavor. And we have fish sauce or salt, whatever is your fancy, and some fresh ingredients. So we have some baby bok choy, we have red pepper for this one, but snap peas would be really great as well for this one, some shredded carrots. Basically whatever is in your pantry and whatever is in your fridge can go into this and make something really, really fresh. You might be saying, like, how are you gonna be able to pack baby bok choy and have it be good for multiple days on the trail? Well, I will say it seems a little bit weird, but we have taken this on multiple trips. We've eaten this on day 2, day 3, and it's surprising how well this holds up over multiple days. So don't be afraid of packing fresh ingredients. And I think we should get cooking because I'm getting hungry. So first step is to chop some of our ingredients. Packable cutting board, it's really helpful. Just cut this in some nice strips. The great part about cooking outside is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough to get in the pot and then get in your mouth. And always remember to pack out these leftover ingredients, but I would rather pack out a butt of a baby bok choy than a plastic package any day. And overall we're gonna use fresh ginger today. That sounds pretty good. Just do some nice strips. We're gonna go ahead and get cooking. So we're gonna go ahead and add some water. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our coconut milk powder. And basically we're gonna make a really nice, flavorful broth here. Throw in our ginger. And we have some green curry powder here, curry paste here. So we're gonna go green today. If you wanna do red, you wanna do Penang, whatever works for you, whatever you have. And then I am gonna go ahead and get this burner lit up. And what we're looking for is for this to come up to a boil. And for this specific, I'm gonna go ahead and crack open our baby corn because I wanna be able to use some of that water in our broth here. So other things we're gonna add is a little bit of shallot. And go ahead and throw that in now. Nice. Should come up to a boil pretty quick. Pack out these ingredients. Get these over here. What I like to do for this specific recipe, make campy chopsticks. So these are just 2 fallen twigs whittled down with your Leatherman. And we've got 2 campy chopsticks right here ready to be able to use as our utensils. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add some of our other ingredients. So add a little bit of corn. Again, don't have this. We're going to go ahead and add our rice noodles. It's already smelling really nice. Okay. So the last things we're gonna add to our tom yum noodle bowl over here is a little bit of salt or a little fish sauce. This can go in a little bit here too. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our fresh ingredients. So our nice bok choy, our nice red pepper. We've got a nice little red and green combo here, a little Navidad today on the dock. And just mix that up really quick. You can go ahead and boil this for a few minutes if you like, but I like to keep those fresh ingredients as fresh as possible. Some nice crunch. Oh, that looks beautiful. Go ahead and throw that in there. My noses are already running from the chili in here. All right, so we're gonna bowl up our tom yum noodle bowl here. Nice broth, and I don't know about you, but a nice warm broth is a great way to end a day on the trail. There we go. Get some nice red in there. Again, we're cooking outside. Doesn't have to be pretty. Doesn't have to be perfect. Exciting. The last thing we're going to do is add a nice fresh squeeze of lime on here to really bring everything together. Make sure to pack that out. But there we have it. We've got a elevated noodle bowl. Hope you're doing well, and cheers. Boca boca.